Imagine a world where electric vehicle EV manufacturers listen to customer feedback and act swiftly to improve their offerings. That's exactly what Nio did in China, making a significant shift in their battery strategy. On August the 29th, 2025, Nio made a bold move by announcing that all their models would come standard with a 100 kilowatt-hour battery pack, effectively phasing out the 75 kilowatt option. This decision was driven by consumer demand for longer ranges and better performance, but it also comes with some interesting twists and potential controversies. At the Chengdu Auto Show 2025, Nio, a prominent player in the Chinese EV market, unveiled this change. The company decided to align the prices of their 100 kilowatt-hour equipped vehicles with those of the previous 75 kilowatt-hour models, effectively reducing the cost barrier for consumers. This move is particularly noteworthy because it demonstrates Nio's commitment to staying competitive in a rapidly evolving market. However, the 75 kilowatt-hour battery isn't completely gone. It's still available through Nio's Battery as a Service (BaaS) plan, which allows customers to lease the battery separately. Why the change? Nio's decision to standardize the 100 kilowatt-hour battery wasn't just a marketing ploy. Recent online discussions and user feedback highlighted that the 75 kilowatt-hour battery, while functional, didn't meet the range expectations of many modern EV buyers. By switching to the 100 kilowatt-hour battery, Nio is addressing these concerns head-on, offering a more robust and appealing product. What does this mean for consumers? For potential buyers, this means that every Nio model, from the sleek ET5 sedan to the versatile ES6 crossover, now comes standard with a 100 kilowatt-hour battery. The price adjustments make these vehicles more accessible, with the starting prices matching those of the older 75 kilowatt-hour versions. Here's a breakdown of the new pricing. Nio ET5 100 kilowatt-hours, 298,000 yuan, approximately $41,770. Nio ET5 Touring 100 kilowatt-hours, 298,000 yuan, approximately $41,770. Nio ES6 100 kilowatt-hours, 338,000 yuan, approximately $41,360. Nio EC6 100 kilowatt-hours, 358,000 yuan, approximately $50,150. Nio ET7 100 kilowatt-hours, 428,000 yuan, approximately $59,940. Nio EC7 100 kilowatt-hours, 458,000 yuan, approximately $64,130. Battery as a Service (BaaS) plan. If you prefer not to own the battery outright, Nio offers the BaaS plan, allowing you to lease the battery instead. Under this plan, the 75 kilowatt-hour battery can be leased for 728 yuan, about $102 per month, while the 100 kilowatt-hour battery costs 1,128 yuan, around $158 per month. Here are the BaaS prices for the vehicles. Nio ET5 BaaS, 190,000 yuan, approximately $26,560. Nio ET5 Touring BaaS, 190,000 yuan, approximately $26,560. Nio ES6 BaaS, 230,000 yuan, approximately $32,150. Nio EC6 BaaS, 250,000 yuan, approximately $34,950. Nio ET7 BaaS, 320,000 yuan, approximately $44,730. Nio EC7 BaaS, 350,000 yuan, approximately $48,920. Market impact. Despite Nio's efforts to innovate and adapt, the company has faced challenges. According to data from China EV Data Tracker, Nio's deliveries dropped by 19% year-over-year from January to July 2025. This decline underscores the intense competition in the Chinese EV market and the need for companies like Nio to continuously evolve. But here's where it gets controversial. Some industry analysts argue that Nio's focus on price reductions and battery upgrades might be a double-edged sword. While it attracts more customers, it could also strain the company's financial resources, potentially affecting long-term sustainability. What do you think? Is Nio's strategy of standardizing the 100 kWh battery a smart move, or does it risk compromising the company's financial health? Share your thoughts in the comments below.